wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk. Twerk. If you broke, go to work. Make that big booty.
Pardon the mess. Don't worry about any of this. The SAP is this and this. This box thing with this hose that goes nowhere. So basically, there's a couple screws, one or bolts, one right there and one back here. You can get to pretty easily. Gotta undo this little thing, gotta undo this from here, undo these bolts, pull this hose from back here, and then for this, the easiest thing to do is take there's a little vacuum hose right here, pop that off. There's another hose that was right here, pop that off. Take these, there's two bolts right here, but you take this off. This is that's the pump, and this is the valve. So you take this valve off, and you can close it off right here with the kit. They send you two things that fit that, or you can unbolt. There's two bolts right there, and two bolts right there, and two bolts right there that hold this bracket. But these two and these two are what count. And they're going to be on the exhaust manifold, like that. You take those off, pull this out. You're going to have two holes where those are. Don't need that anymore. And then, don't know if you can see, but I'm already putting it on right now. Come on. Should be right there. Right there. They're just little pieces that go on there. I'm deleting the SAP, which is all this, and then you take this out, and there's a plug right there that you undo, and a hose right there. Chunk that because you don't need it, and now you have room right here. So you put all your crap back together, and then that's it for the SAP. You tighten those two little adapters that you have on there, and you'll be done. And then over here, I'm deleting my CCV valve, which is like a PCV. It's right here, this little thing. It messes up a lot. So this goes underneath your intake like that, and this hose goes to your oil dipstick tube, and this hose right here goes to your valve cover right here, which is a plastic squeeze thing. You squeeze the sides, pulls right off. There's lots of videos on how to do this, but you take that off. The oil will come through there, and it'll go through that. Throw the oil in, it'll swish around a bunch, and then your oil will go back through here to your dipstick tube, and the air and whatever is left will go through here and reuse that. So I don't want it. It's something that messes up all the time, plus too many hoses. So what I'm gonna do is put a hose here, put a hose here, attach them to a catch can, and be done with that crap. I may just because I don't want a whole bunch of crap going in my intake. Supposedly a bunch of people say when you do that, it takes away any oil being burned away, which I don't have that problem though. You may notice I cut this bracket to the piece that holds the CCV valve on. I took that off, don't want it. Cleaned out my IAC, so now whenever you like move it around, you can hear it clicking like you should. And now I'm putting it all back together. So, and I deleted my secondary O2 sensor, so now I just need to get my ECU out from over there, send it in to be tuned, and we'll be good to go.
Twerk, good, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk. Twerk, if you broke, go to work, make that big booty.